This is the service elevator in an undisclosed location in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Look at this. It's an old, I think it's probably a Marshall. Has C.J. Anderson fixtures. Has a manual sliding door. There's a gate on the inside. Let's open it up. The inside fixtures have been replaced, but this is still really cool. Looks much wider. I think that door can probably extend by the front crates open. That's interesting. All right, let's close it up. All right, let's close it up. It is indeed an old Marshall. That's the Marshall plaque. Sadly, the inside fixtures have been replaced with JL Jet Plus VPWI, probably by Headrick because they do the maintenance here. But it might be Marshall, but probably Headrick. Basement. Wow, this is cool. Look at that. It all looks a bit loud. Basement. Jesus, that's loud. Before. Yeah, you can tell that's like a door that can extend open. I found the passenger car here. It's a Dover Marshall Electronic with a Headrick PTL mod. There's a ladder right there. I might go to the roof of the machine room. All right, on it down to 1. There's a Marshall plaque. And it has a certificate above it. It's a basic green metal cap. It has a ply-wood in the back. Oh, there's like a gate there. That's interesting. They don't use that anymore. Interesting. It's a cool elevator. The buttons unfortunately have been replaced, but it's still a pretty cool elevator. Would have originally had C.J. Anderson, like the call buttons. One. Very cool. Very cool elevator. These are like retail tenants or something. Alright, that's it. Actually, no, we'll close it up. And now